This is the final result. Wonderful people, I am back with another video. Tess Hair have kindly sent me beautiful human hair extensions which I'll be reviewing, but not just any extensions, no. These extensions are halo extensions. So if you don't know what halo extensions are, I can see your halo. So instead of clip, you have a clear band that sits on your head that secures the hair extensions to your head. So the benefits of this is that you don't have to put in all the clips. It's really easy to use. You just literally throw this on and you're good to go. So that's what we're going to be reviewing today. Is 16-inch real human hair. It's about 90 grams, so it's very light, and this is a 16-inch. It comes in different colors, different lengths. You can also get 20 inches, and I've got a discount code for you guys for 40% off, so I will link that and everything else in the description. So this is what the elastic band looks like. It's pretty secure because it has these clips at the end which secure to the weft. I was a bit worried like this could just fly off, but it's actually really good. If you want to make it smaller, you can use these wefts. Put this inside one of the wefts and that will make the string smaller. But I don't need to do that because I've got a very large head. This fits perfectly. Along with the halo extensions comes this little envelope. Inside it comes with an extra band just in case you break your one, or just in case the one that they use is not long enough. It also comes with 2 clips, so you velcro this to the weft just to give you that extra hold, to give you that extra peace of mind that it's secure on your head. I'm very impressed with the quality of the hair. I find sometimes with clip-on hair extensions, I find it really fiddly, especially the ones where you have to do multiple hair extensions in your hair. Matches my hair perfectly. I'm literally just gonna place it on my head and bring it down like so. And it's supposed to sit comfortably above your ears. I've got a lip liner pencil and I'm just gonna take the hair out all across my head. So on the back, you want to make sure you get enough hair to cover the halo. So when you're going through this section of the hair, you want to just go just above where the weft is, which is just around here. For the fringe area, just make sure your fringe or your hair at the top is covering this band here. It's noticeable that the difference between my hair and the halo hair, but just off the bat right now, it feels so light. I don't feel like I'm actually wearing extensions, which is a big thing for me. I hate being weighed down. So you can hardly see the band, and you can kind of see it on this part of my scalp, just because that's where my parting is. I actually don't really mind. I feel like it's so not noticeable. In terms of blending, so I dyed my hair black quite a few months ago with Nature Tint, and let me tell you, I'm never dyeing my hair again. But what I found is that as time goes on, my hair is getting more of a red tint. To counteract my very harsh cut of my own hair, I'm going to cut into my hair and the hair extension. Normally I would get the hairdressers to do this, but I am confident that I can make a few incisions to make it more natural. I'm gonna blow dry the hair, and as it's already secure on my head, I can do any styling that I want. Straightening, curling, hair drying, so I'm gonna do that now. So I found that really easy to blow dry my hair with the hair extensions, and I felt like this has enough tensile strength that when you do pull on it a little bit, it just bounces back and it doesn't feel like you're gonna break the band, which is really good. So I'm just gonna get the front bit of the hair extensions, which is around here, and I'm gonna feather this a little bit. So I'm just gonna take the front piece of my hair, which doesn't really blend with the rest of my hair. I'm just gonna feather it. So yeah, so I finished cutting through the layers, just making it blend in a little bit so it's not just one length, because my hair is 14 inches and this extension is 16, so it looks a bit silly just having this and this. Just cutting my own hair in upwards motions just so it's not such a harsh line. I love the result. It's great to have more length, it's great to have more hair. So I've put a white top on so you guys can see. If you're wondering why I'm holding this flower, it's because it's my birthday today, 12th of February. This is the day that I'm filming this video. This rose is so cute. To show you guys how I would style these, and I'm gonna do loose curls at the front. Okay guys, so I've curled my hair and I'm just gonna run my hands through the curls just to make it, just to break them up a little bit and give it a fun je ne sais quoi. But this is the final result. I'm in love. Like, you can heat style these extensions. Looks amazing. Make sure you like this video so I know to keep making the same sort of content. If there are extensions or a hair product that you guys want me to review or to try out, make sure to drop me a comment. If you've enjoyed the video, make sure to subscribe and join the family. And until next time, thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.